We're told that carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,730 years. It's this very long half-life that makes carbon-14 useful to scientists for dating ancient relics. What percentage of the atoms would be unchanged after 20,000 years? We want to know how many half-lives this is. So we do 20,000 divided by 5,730, and that gives us 3.490, correct to 3 decimal places. Now our formula was N is equal to P times 0.5 to the power N. To get the proportion or percentage that's left, we just need to work with this part of the formula. 0.5 to the 3.490 gives us 0.0890, and as a percentage that's 8.90%.